So today I'd like to show you Microsoft Surface. This is the new tabletop computing from Microsoft that provides the ability to interact with the platform itself. So multi-user, multi-touch, direct interaction, and the ability to recognize tags or objects as well. This is called the application launcher. It's where we put our applications and allow the user to select applications. The first application I want to show you is one that we created called Falcon Eye. Falcon Eye is an operational dashboard that integrates 3D virtual Earth maps with business intelligence data. So here we have a map of the world, and we can navigate around the world. We can zoom in to Portugal, look in Lisbon, and just with fingers then be able to navigate through simple touch commands. So in a moment here, we'll load up the New York City. The buildings will load up in 3 dimensions here. And now we're going to be able to go on a virtual tour of New York City. So again, just using fingers and being able to zoom in and to navigate, or be able to actually change the view. So I have an overhead view now, and I'm able to actually navigate street by street through the cities of New York. So next one I want to show you is Seattle. And what we've done here is we've integrated real-time traffic feeds that have live video cameras of the traffic, at certain points on the highways, as well as color coding here on the highways themselves. Right, so I can see what my commute home is like, or maybe I have safety cameras. So being able to integrate that information, those video cams, on very specific information within the application. And we have an application here that allows you to use these tags, and from a public safety perspective, say there is a bomb threat on this stadium. Being able just to put a bomb onto there, add some information about that through a virtual keyboard, and maybe then I have the police that are arriving in this location. I've got police here, and I've got police here. And now I have an ambulance that has arrived, and maybe there's an ambulance over here. And I've got a fire truck that has arrived in this location, And then maybe I want to annotate that as well with drawings saying here is a perimeter, and I don't want people to enter within that perimeter. Here is the bomb area. The police are converging in here, and maybe I want the public to escape from this route. So as you can see, in about 60 seconds, I provided great situational awareness around this particular event as it's happening. And then I can share this over the internet and to other people as well. So we built a demo application that facilitates a conversation between a doctor and a patient and allows them to share information and collaborate to explain information around a heart operation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down my patient card, and it's going to log me into the system and make it accessible my information for this particular operation. So this application starts up, and what we have is a 3-dimensional model of the human body. Within that body, what I can do is I can dial here and show the different layers of the human body. So the skeleton, the cardiovascular system, the nervous system, the various organs. And what I want to do then is have the doctor come in and have the doctor sign into the application as well. And then what it's going to allow me to do is to allow me to share information between the patient and the doctor and back and forth. I might have some information on a video of my actual heart being taken. And I take that video and I want to share that information with the doctor. Now that information has a 2-color border, meaning the information is shared, and I'm going to drop that back into here. The doctor as well may want to share information. So before the operation, it's very important that the patient follow these procedures in advance of actually having the operation the next day. So Microsoft Surface is a multi-touch tabletop PC. It is basically a Windows Vista Business machine PC at its core that has a vision-based system wrapped around that. So you have 5 infrared cameras and a DLP projector that comes in one physical unit here that provides that ability to create applications that support multiple users, multi-touch, direct interaction, and object recognition.